In this video, I'll be sharing with you how we can use custom fields to personalize the look and feel of our CRM. In Phoenix Software, under Settings, we go to the Fields section. In this area, we can create custom fields on contact records, listing records, including sale, rental, holidays, land, rural, and commercial properties, property records, and person records, which are for your staff team members. On a contact record, you might like to create a custom field for primary contact method. If you wanted to do this, you simply click Create Field. You would put in a label, a quick description, and then nominate what section of the card this custom field will appear. We then have different field types. We have single and multi-line text types. We have select options for single, multi, and phone select, checkbox options, date and time picker, a radio group. We've got an option for attachments, single line numeric, which is numbers, and we have dates and times as well. You can make those fields editable and simply click Save Field. With the one I did previously, primary contact method, I'll go into Edit, and you can see how I've been able to nominate the section, the field type, which is single select. I only want my users to select one option, and then I've put in the various parameters for that field. You can add other options simply by typing in that information and then clicking Save. If you wanted to see what that looks like on the contact card, we go to a contact record. We come down and your custom fields will appear in the left-hand side. So here's my one for the primary contact method. If I wanted to change that, I simply select, and as you can see, it's single select, and I click Save. While we're on this record, you can also see your contact groups, which can also be customized, and the contact source, which can also be customized within the system settings. Moving back to custom fields on listings. So an example where you might like to create a custom field on a listing record is for something like an auction price guide. To do that, you would go to residential sale, listing details, and then you would create a field. In the label, you might call it auction price guide. You could put a description. We want it to appear in the listing details under residential sale, and we want a single line of text. The reason for that is it gives us flexibility with the data we put into the field, and we want to make it editable. We click Save Field, and under the listing details, and this is where you would see all the information on the listing, including when it's sold, the sold information, the auction details, and the price. And down the bottom here, you can see my auction price guide custom field. Now I might like to move it into this section here, so I can click and drag. Once you do that, that field will be live within your CRM. We hope this helps, and if you'd like to discuss custom fields for personalizing your CRM, please let us know.